Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. The quote for today's trading is: a winner is just a loser who tried one more time. And I think most of you would have come across this situation when most of the time many of your friends or family would have quit or would have asked you to quit because of having continuous losses, but you, without quitting, have continued to try once again, trying. So it also means that that is a journey of every winner. They are the people who have just not quit. And this program, this 60 days challenge, is all about journey of a trader, how he has to stay to his roots, to his basics, even in during the time of difficulties, even while taking losses. Just have to continue the same policy, same money management, nothing else. Okay, so let us look into day 10. Yeah, today is the day 10, and let us look into the live trading session. How are we going to identify the trend, how are we trading, and how are we trading with discipline, which is what you have to learn, which is most important. So without wasting much time, the stock for today was Drreddy, and there was a very beautiful trend. I think today almost everybody of them were able to guess it correctly and were able to make good profits in Drreddy, because the Nifty was in a very trending range, even the stock also was in a very trending range, and then we were all able to take the same stock, same levels, same profits. Okay, so this is just going to be a recording just for the sake of posting, because all of you have done the same thing. So we identified that Nifty was in a trending situation today, so we are just going to buy and sell at the breakouts, nothing else. We are not going to do the ranging. Okay, so let us calculate the targets. We are just keeping 0.6%, okay, which is nothing but 15 rupees. So target is kept as 15 rupees, and stop loss we are calculating for 0.4%, which comes to 10 rupees. Okay, so if the stop loss is 10, then the quantity will automatically be 1000 divided by 10, that is nothing but 100. Yeah, so quantity is going to be 100. So let us place the buy order, and then similarly let us keep the trap for keeping the sell order as well. Okay, so we are again keeping advanced level. There's nothing to panic in this kind of trading. Aram se, when you're free around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, whenever you're free, we can place the trades. It's best suited for working people because you have to just spend 5 minutes, and you can see that both the orders are placed. There is no open orders, other orders. Yeah, okay, so both the trigger pending orders have been kept, friends. It's nothing but we're keeping a trap for the market. Even though we have identified the trend, we identified that the stock is in a trending phase. We are not going to, this today is a very clear example that even though the stock was going down, we took a trade in the buy direction and we made very good money. So that is the reason why I'm saying that let us not predict telling that it will go down or it will go top. Let us just keep our trap. We have to just identify whether it is trending or ranging. If it is trending, then we will buy at the high and sell at the low. Otherwise, if it is ranging, then we will sell at the high and we will buy at the low. That's it. Okay, so today the profit screens, so you can see that the buy average, it was bought at 2516, and then it was closed at 2531, thereby giving perfect 1500 rupees profit. Okay, so this is the reason why I was saying don't keep only in the sell order, because it was clearly showing a bearish trend going down. But I don't keep such kind of predictions. I keep trades in the both the way. Whichever triggers first, I will trade. And without wasting much time, it's time to update into my Excel sheet, which I am tracking from the beginning. And the stock is Drreddy, and the profit is a very good amount of 1500. There was no slippage today, and the overall profit is 9425. We're almost reaching 20%. Okay, 20% return in less than 10 days, friends. We are at day 10, and we had two stop losses in this month. It shows that the accuracy is very high, almost close to 80% accuracy. And friend, this is what something which comes out of practice. And trust me, if at all you feel that 80% is not possible, then this is a live example that with patience, with confident on your own strategy, if you follow it daily, you will be able to achieve this 80% accuracy as well. Yes, I agree, it requires lot of patience, lot of experience. It does, I won't say that you will start getting it from day one. Okay, so you can see the profits, it's 9,425. As I was telling, you don't expect it to start from day one. Just like how you learn to drive your cycles, or how your kids learn to drive cycles, day one itself don't expect to be perfect. You have to fall down, you have to learn, but keep on learning from your mistakes. And as we told in the beginning of this video, don't quit. Winners are the people who have just tried once again. Even though you're continuously losing, just try once again, and then there will be a journey when you will be having continuous profit. Okay friends, so a decent returns of 20% is good enough, I think. So this is the video for today. So continuing the journey, and in case if you all had any if you had any doubts, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Hope it was an easy trading today. There was no confusion, because almost all those of you who have learned it all had agreed that you took Drreddy's and were able to make profit today. So in case if you not yet learned the trend analysis, you can always learn it. Trend is a very good indicator, a very good method for trading, because if you identify the trend, then nobody can stop you from making money. Identify the trend and trade along with the trend, and you will be making money. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.